As we all know, the mining industry can be a challenging game and the need for reliable pumping equipment is absolute paramount. Joining me today is Paul Harrison, Product Manager at Brain Industries, to talk about Brain's range of pumps. Now Paul, for those who haven't heard of Brain Industries, can you give us a brief background?
Sure, Steve. Brain Industries are a Newcastle-based engineering firm. They've been manufacturing vacuum recovery units or brain pumps for over 20 years.
Paul, what are some of the applications brain pumps can be used for?
In the underground industry, mainly for black coal, used around fines contamination, for dewatering, for cleaning out swillies, tailgate lagoons, those sorts of applications in open cut and washeries, mainly for, once again, cleaning out sumps and bunded areas from build-up of fines and slurries and sludges, and for utilities and businesses along the lines of that, used for culverts and ditches, confined space areas.
The Mudskipper pumps are small, so the product range. What's the advantages of the Mudskipper pump?
Its versatility is its size. Simply, it's a powerful little machine, and it can pneumatic convey products long distances quite easily, and its air consumption is not over the top compared to some of the bigger units, as the one behind us here.
Now, let's say I need to convey a substance and I'm dealing with a height situation. What are some of the solutions Brain can offer?
Well, the actual pumps themselves will pneumatically, they can suction lift around 35 metres using our suction wands. As far as discharging distances go, they'll discharge long distances up to 500 metres, and they'll discharge up to a 50 metre vertical head. So those challenges can be overcome.
Is there a limit to the type of materials brain pumps can move?
Short answer, no. If the material is safe to enter a pressurised system, well then it can be pneumatic conveyed.
When it comes to working underground, why would a mine choose a Brain pump?
Their reliability and in fact that they're intrinsically safe. There's no electrics, they're all 100% pneumatic. Our Airloader range of pumps, they work incredibly hard. They're a slightly larger pump than the Mudskipper. They're compact and they have a higher production rate. Being a larger vessel and having larger inlet and outlets, they can handle larger solids to go through them. So yeah, they're very versatile in the underground region, especially for confined space compact areas. Mm-hmm. They can be hung on monorails, or they can be put in a culvert into a niche somewhere run by Mines Air, and they can draw from a long distance and discharge a long distance. So very versatile.
As is often the case in the mining industry, some challenges can't be solved with an off-the-shelf product. What can Brain offer in such a situation, Paul?
We can customise to suit any application, Steve. Regardless of what the media is to be conveyed, our products can be, like I said, customised to suit individual applications. You can see in these drawings of a self-filling tanker, which we recently designed for a client, with the brief being the need for the unit to be smaller than the previous provided unit. These self-filling tankers can be provided on either a trailer, a QDS or a skid, and are great for hauling and dumping at your choice of location. And similar to our other pumps, they can be powered by mine-supplied air, so there are no electrics involved.
For those who choose to buy a Brain pump, what type of after-sales support can Brain offer?
As part of our ongoing support to our customers, we offer a full service and overhaul and recertification. For example, we just recently had an Airloader PD 4x4 returned for overhaul and recertification from a long-standing client come into our workshop. We stripped the pump down to its bare bones, we had the vessel independently inspected, replaced a number of parts, and now it's ready to be returned back to site fully compliant for underground use. On top of that, we can also train your people on how to best use the equipment, plus conduct audits for you on site.
Well, Paul, thanks again for your time today. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about Brain's range of products, including our pumps, please visit our website or contact us on the phone numbers on the screen.